I am solving Rubik's Cube. It's already scrambled. Alright, ready? And there you go.
There goes Ben. He's amazing. But is he amazing enough to solve that little cubic thing? I don't think so. You're doing great, Ben.
Shut up.
Look at him go. He's a fast one. A nastiness.
I'm gonna solve it.
Look at the spirit. Oh my god. The hand-eye, baby. Hand-eye.
Oh yeah.
This is crazy. He's going for the world record.
No.
I think he already missed it by like 20 minutes.
The world record is like 12 seconds.
57, 58, 59.
Shut up.
Time's ticking away, Ben. And yet, no solved Rubik's Cube. Okay, when you get it, we go crazy. That means you two guys.